price is below the moving averages, this is downtrend. When you see the price on top of the neck is uptrend. And there will be sideways. Sideways when the price went into the net. That's this whole session. Okay. From this point, inside, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is all sideways. When they block this at this point, out from the net, that is the starting of the uptrend. So same thing here. You can see there's another sideways here. Okay. And this is another new uptrend. So other than determine the so-called the uptrend, downtrend, sideways, our fixed neck, which is the indicator that able to tell you the trend. So when the candle moves above the neck, this is an uptrend. Okay, and this will be the first support. When the candle continue to move out, there are a new line form, and these are the line actually to tell you is. Now you should take this line as your so-called profit protections. Your profit protections. Okay? So you just continue to protect your profit. Why you take your profit here? So you have a so-called a scientific way to guide you through. Then we go for a live demo, I will show you how. And finally, when the price cut through this one, okay, this is where the sideways start. And the new uptrend again. So when the sideways, you can decide not to do anything. You only take your position here. And this is the last required lifeline. You have to cut loss, okay? And when the candle go below here, okay, this counter is going for a downtrend. This counter is going for the downtrend. Let's do an experiment on this one.